Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Choosing meaningful and consistent variable names is crucial for writing clean, readable, and maintainable code. Proper variable naming enhances the clarity of your code, making it easier for both yourself and others to understand. In this tutorial, we'll discuss some best practices for naming variables in Python, along with code examples. Choose variable names that convey the purpose or meaning of the variable. Avoid using single-letter variable names unless they represent an iterator in a short loop. For example, PEP8 is the style guide for Python code. It provides recommendations on how to format your code for maximum readability. When it comes to variable names, PEP8 suggests using lowercase letters with underscores to separate words in variable names, snake_case. For example, be consistent with your naming styles throughout your code base. If you start with camelcase for one variable, stick with it. If you use snake_case, be consistent. Consistency makes your code more predictable and easier to understand. For example, avoid using Python reserved words, keywords, as variable names, as this can lead to unexpected behavior or errors. For example, if you need to use abbreviations, make sure they are widely accepted and intuitive. For instance, using number for number or max for maximum is generally acceptable. However, avoid overly cryptic or domain-specific abbreviations. For example, choose variable names that reflect their scope and purpose. For example, use descriptive names for globa.